So we'll have, oh my gosh, it's flying in. Ah, whoa! Our #1 guide on the app for January, and honestly, for probably since the summer, has been sea turtle here. Breaking news! New builds on the app have just dropped. Our new top builds for the month have just come out. It's the news everybody waits for. It's the news that I sit on the edge of my seat waiting for. So one of the main things that I focused on this past year has been adding a ton of builds to the app. So something that I try to do once a week is add a new build to the 3D section of our app. So our app is a place where people can go and they can find a bunch of different inspiration for builds that they can do. So on the app, we have a bunch of different sections. There's a 3D section, a 2D section, and there's also this challenges section that's really fun, where you can do a bunch of things like a snake challenge, which is trying to build the longest snake you can. Ooh. And I've been getting a lot more inspiration from people who send in ideas. So if you guys ever have any ideas for builds to add to the app, please let me know. Because I hear from kids at events and in different places, and sometimes even through the app, there's a feature where you can comment, and people ask directly for different types of builds. Recently, a consumer asked is that they were wondering how they build a house out of plusplus. So I got straight to work, and I went and I made a guide for a 3D house on the app. The app is really a great place to come together as a community. There's a live feed actually where you can post your own plusplus creations, and you can like and comment on other people's pictures as well. The plusplus app is free on the App Store and on the Google Play Store. So right here is our main page on the app, and I'd say definitely the 3D section is the most popular. If you click in there, you can see all of our wonderful creations here. But what I really wanted to show is the community that we've built here on the app. So if you go to our community page on the app, we have a whole gallery of people's different creations. Like we had a jack-o'-lantern and acorn. So people are still kind of feeling the fall vibes. And here's what I was talking about before with the snake challenge. So this user made a really long snake there. So yeah, I get to see everybody's different creations, which is really fun and rewarding as someone who works on the app, because I'm able to see that guides that I uploaded yesterday are already getting views and already getting kids to play with them. So we're trying to give you as much inspiration as humanly and as computerly possible. Computerly. So the build that we are going to do today is our #1 guide, actually for a bunch of months now, probably about 6 months now. Our sea turtle has been our #1 guide on our app. As you can see here on the app, it blows up the steps in a much bigger scale. So you're able to zoom in if you need to. If you want to go full screen, you can zoom in on certain steps, and then you just simply press the arrows and it'll take you through all the steps. But the beauty of the app as well is that you can go on there and you can see what other colors people have been making all these builds out of, because people find really creative ways. Like I've seen metallic turtles, I've seen neon turtles, glitter turtles. Here we have a little flip symbol as well. So we're gonna flip our little turtle over and we are going to add this new part right there. This is my favorite plusplus color, is the coral. It just has a certain je ne sais quoi. There we go. So we're on step 13 now, and we're gonna go to step 14, which I believe is starting on building the turtle's head. Perfect. So here is our sea turtle head, all finished and lovely, and it looks like it just slides in right here. There we go. So there's our really cute little sea turtle. Too, as a bonus, we have the sea turtle baby in here. Aww. Yes, so I think that's also why this build is very popular, is because it comes with a little baby, which is so cute. So you may be wondering, we're done with our turtle. Oh my gosh, what's this on step 20? Well, bonus, we're adding a baby. So we're gonna go ahead and put it right there, and look at how stinking cute. I just have learned that a baby sea turtle is called a hatchling, which is really cute. I love that. Well, we're gonna go ahead and press upload here. So we're gonna go to our camera, And I'm actually gonna go ahead and I'm going to, let's see, hopefully you can see this here. I'm gonna hold the turtle up a little bit so we get a better angle. Can they see that on the?
Yeah.
Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna snap a quick picture of our sea turtle. Perfect. And I'm gonna press use photo. Okay. And then it's gonna go ahead and upload. We have our sea turtle uploaded and it'll be in the gallery soon. So you do not need to sign up for an account or give your email or anything to upload a photo to the app. So if you don't want to give your email, you can still connect and play with other plusplus fans through the plusplus app. So we have our number 2 app build that just swam in here, and it is the baby shark. So cute. So I actually just put this on the app about a month ago, and it's already number 2. And then number 3, there's no place like.
Oh, yay!
Yay! So our number 3 build on the app is this really cute little house. So I've seen a lot of kids on the app upload pictures and expand on this and make like a whole city block or a bunch of different buildings. Number 4, gemstone.
Oh, gemstone.
Perfect. Gemstone. And gemstone has glitter pieces in it. Obviously, you can make a gemstone out of whichever colors that you have. I see a lot of metallic ones and pearl ones that are really fun. And it's just a really fun, really glittery and shimmery, nice little build. I don't know what else to say about it. Oh. And then our number 5 build, the last one that we'll show today, was, I can probably just grab it out of here. Yeah. So we'll have, oh my gosh, it's flying in. Ah, whoa! So our number 5 build for the app this month was our rocket ship, which this rocket in particular is made out of our glow mix. So this was living in our glow section for a while, and I decided to move it into 3D where a lot more kids saw it. So they were able to make rocket ships. And this is very modular in that you can make it as long or as short as you want it to. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all these builds with me. Please give me more inspiration if you have any of it. Please, I'm begging you. I'm running out of ideas. I'm losing sleep over this. My hair's turning gray. I can't think of anything more. But yeah, thank you guys so much for building with me today. Thank you guys for coming on the app with me today and for letting me show you around. Thank you so much for watching.